Hi, what's up, guys? I hope you all are doing well, and I'm also good. And my name is Yash, and I am a graphic designer. And today, in this video, we would be covering pen tool, how you can use pen tool in different ways. In one of the video, I told you you can use pen tool for selection, but in this video, I will tell you everything about pen tool. So make sure to watch video till end. And if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And now let's move to my screen. So now we are at my screen, and this is one of my recent work which I was working upon. So for pen tool, I will be opening a new file, and I will be teaching you how you can use pen tool. So let's open 15 into 15, 1500 to 1500 pixels, and pen tool you can select it from here. And now you so what is the use of pen tool? You can simply make 2 points, this one and this one, and here it is a path created. So you can do anything using this path. You can make a selection, you can stroke this path, you can fill the path, and you can create vector mask. You can do a lot of stuff. So now how to make some curves using pen tool? Just simply click and make another point, and do not do not leave the left mouse click, and then just hold click and drag this thing. And you can also again one more click and just hold the click and drag, and just hold the click and drag, and just hold the click and drag, and it is a weird shape. So now let us trace this thing. uh, you want to trace, suppose you want to trace a shoe. So how will you trace? Let me zoom in. So just simply hold, and you all press alt and click if you want to start from a fresh, because it is given a direction, and if you are doing selection, you will get this marks you are seeing there here. uh, I can make it big by pressing dragging. This is basically represent the curviness or the direction of the curve. So to get rid of this marks, or if you want to start over with a different direction, you can just simply press alt and click on the last point. So you can just select here, and mm, I'm holding control, and yeah, I am just changing this one. This one is not perfect. Let's do this one again. So you can select the shoe shape in this way, and I am doing it fast and not doing it perfect. You can spend more time and make it as perfect as possible, but for now I am just shading this thing, and yeah, to have a good shape. mm, I hope. And now you can just make it for a custom shape, make a selection, or you can have a new layer. And now you can fill the path. Let's fill the path. Preserve transparency. Yeah, okay. And yep, you have created a great shape. You can simply, and you can move it here and there. You have created a shape, you can change its color, and if you want to move it, you can move it here and there according to your choice. So this is basically, you can use pen tool, you can use it for masking, and that's it for the video. I hope you have enjoyed the video. To practice pen tool, I would suggest you to find out some particular shapes, or to take out some particular images, and you can just practice your pen tool. And yeah, that's it for the video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, guys, see ya. And before going, I will make So that's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you are new to the channel, and if you have liked the video, make sure to hit a like. And you can also follow me in Instagram. I upload regular content on Instagram, so make sure to follow me on Instagram. So that's it. Bye guys.